Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone model and MIUI version so you know where menus live. Once done, make sure the SIM is active and mobile data is on. Disable VPN or airplane mode because they hide network options. Now open Settings, tap SIM cards and mobile networks, and choose the SIM you want to adjust. You're taking the first actionable step toward disabling VoLTE. This gets you directly into the controls, instead of searching blindly through menus. You now locate the VoLTE setting under the chosen SIM's network settings. On MIUI, it's usually labeled VoLTE or Enhanced 4G Calling. Once you find it, tap the toggle to switch it off. This directly stops the device from preferring VoLTE on calls. If the option is grayed out, make sure the network mode isn't locked to LTE only. Change it to Auto or 3G/2G preferred, then try toggling again. This mid-process change resolves the common menu lock. You finish by restarting the phone so the network stack drops VoLTE registration and the change takes effect. If VoLTE comes back, check with your carrier, some provision VoLTE on their side, and verify APN and network mode settings. If issues persist, reset network settings only after backing up important data. That clears cached profiles without wiping the phone. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off to force the radio to re-register without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.